Good morning. My name is Keith Runna with the rental lending team of Prospect Mortgage, and this mortgage update is brought to you by Team Bjorkman of RE/MAX here in the Santa Clarita Valley. I want to touch on interest rates. Every day I'm getting asked what's going on with interest rates, what's going on with home prices. Recently, the media has been relaying that interest rates are at, if not below, their historic low, which is true, and that home prices are coming down, which here in our area throughout the Santa Clarita Valley, not exactly true. Depending on what neighborhood you're looking into, there may be a neighborhood that's going down slightly. There's also very much so some neighborhoods that are still going up. So I strongly recommend that you talk to Mike, talk to his team, figure out what's going on in the given neighborhood that you're looking at. Now, is what I relay to my clients is that if you have the ability to buy your property all cash, meaning you do not need home financing, then you might not be hurt waiting on the sideline to see exactly what happens to home prices. If home prices go down, they're more than likely not going to go down more than, say, 5%. What that means is that now is the time to lock in your 30-year fixed interest rate. By locking the 30-year fixed interest rate in the mid-4s compared to, say, the 5% or the mid-5%, which we're going to see here in the next few months, over the life of that loan, you are going to save a ton of money when it comes to interest on that overall loan. So even if home prices go down, say the next year or two, another 5%, if you plan on keeping that property for at least 5, you are going to come out ahead, because having that lower monthly payment all along the while is, for most people, is what's really important to them. The two questions I commonly get asked is, what is my monthly payment going to be? What's my 30-year fixed monthly payment going to be? And how much cash out of my own pocket do I need to bring into this transaction? And again, going to the future, those highest interest rates, even if home prices come down slightly, you're going to have a higher monthly payment over the life of that loan. And heck, we can be down 5% within the next 12 months. We could be up that 5% plus some the 12 months after that. So you have plenty of time over the life of that 30-year fixed loan to make up any minor dip we may see and certainly come out ahead having that great 30-year fixed rate. If you want to crunch the numbers, you have questions, you want to come in and sit down in person or discuss things over the phone, do feel comfortable contacting me. I can be reached at 661-513-3118. That's 661-513-3118. If you have not been in touch as of yet with Mike and his team, contact him today. Their team can be reached at 661-702-4700. Mike can be reached direct on his cell phone at 661-212-8075. 661-212-8075. And thank you for spending a few minutes with us here today. Bye-bye.